Just because it's done in Australia doesn't mean you're not going to have issues, and I did. You'll probably be less out of pocket doing it this way than in Australia. I'm Axal Hunter from Karratha, Western Australia. Well, I've always had bad teeth, so in the end I decided I was going to have implants because they were just a mess and I didn't want dentures. So I sought out probably the most well-known dentist in Perth. I paid a lot of money. Within 8 months or so, I had to go back, pay another $15,000 for one of the implants that failed or rejected. Then I started to get pain in my back, went to the dentist and they x-rayed it and said I had an infection. Next thing I know, they're wanting to do another implant or redo the implant. So that would have been 3 times, but the price was just getting out of control. So I come across Top Dental. They're offering the types of things that probably I required. Since then, I've had an operation. They've shown me that not everyone is all on fours. Everyone's an individual, and there's different ways to achieve something more permanent. The doctors here are wonderful. Doctor that done the surgery was trained in Australia. I've been looked after wonderfully. Great food, hotel. The experience has been well worth it. At the end of the day, what's surprising, they even offer you a warranty, which you don't get in Australia. You've got to make a decision in your teeth sooner or later, and it's either pay all in fours in Australia, which may not address your individual circumstances or needs. The doctors here give a thorough going over by x-ray and study what you personally require, not just the standard we'll just do your run-of-the-mill all on fours and that's it. Just because it's done in Australia doesn't mean you're not going to have issues, and I did. But everything, the machines, the cleanliness, everything is the equivalent, if not better, than some of the Australian. They use the same materials, so don't get what would we Australians say to believe in that we've got the greatest healthcare in the world. You'll probably be less out of pocket doing it this way than in Australia.